Hello, dear student. Today I will discuss the important topic linear differential equation with constant coefficient. This is the very important topic. We will discuss the case of exponential form and giving the right hand side in the case of exponential case. This is the theory of exponential case. That means the solution of this question solution, the given differential equation can be written as that means d square minus 4d minus 5i equal to e to the power 2x. Okay, this is the converting this form, and here the solution y is equal to cf plus pi. This is the complete solution of this question. This is the very important formula in the point of view examination. Okay, that means here convert the find CF. But first of all, we will calculate the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation, we will find auxiliary equation. But here, if we will find the auxiliary equation equating to right hand side 0 and y replaced by 1 and d replaced by m. We will get the auxiliary equation. That means auxiliary equation m square minus 4m minus y equal to 0. Here we will find out the auxiliary equation, right hand side equating to 0, the coefficient y replaced by 1 and d replaced by m. This is the algebraic equation in terms of m, or this is the quadratic equation. That means we will find out two roots because here 2-degree equation. First of all, factorize, find out the root. That means here m square minus 5m plus m minus 5 is equal to 0. We will calculate the root. Here is minus 5 plus m, that is minus 4. Here is balance. That means take common m, means m minus 5, and this is take common, that means m minus 5 equal to 0, m minus 5 and m plus 1 equal to 0. That means the value of m equal to minus 1 and plus 5. The value of m equal to minus 1 and plus 5. That means the root real and different. Okay, when the root real and different, that means CF. When root real and different, here the roots are real and different. The complementary function CF equal to root real and different. That means m1 m2 CF equal to c1 e power m1x and plus c2 e power m2x. Okay, when roots real and different, in this case root real is different, minus 1 and 5. The complementary function CF equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e to the power 5x. Here this is the complementary function of this question. Next important part, particular integral. Okay, the particular integral we will find out the another form. This is the particular integral pi equal to pi. The given differential equation can be written as f dy is equal to q. Q is the e to the power x. When the case of exponential form, particular integral, the given differential equation can be written. That means particular integration f d into q. Suppose q is the e to the power ax. Suppose q equal to e to the power ax. This is the value of q. That means here e to the power ax upon fa. Put here the coefficient of x. That means here fa not equal to 0. Okay, apply this condition is here. Particular integral 1 upon d square minus 4d minus 5 e to the power 2x. The coefficient of x is here 2. That means e to the power 2x. Put the value of t equal to 2. That means 2 square minus 4 into 2 and this is minus 5. After solution, that means here e to the power 2x, this is 4, this is 8 and this is minus 5. Here e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x, here is this is 8, 5, 13, less is minus 4, that is minus 9, this is minus 9. This is the particular integral. This is the particular integral. According to the formula y is equal to Cf plus Pi. This is the complete formula of this question. Y is equal to Cf plus Pi. Put the value of Cf. This is the value of Cf. Okay. Cf here is C1 e power minus x plus C2 e power 5x plus particular integral, that means here is particular integral minus e to the power 2x upon 9. This is the complete answer of the ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, this is very important question, my dear student. This is whole topic is very important, BTech BSc students. Okay, thank you.